Hello guys, today I show you how to upload video in YouTube very efficiency. So go to your internet, can be Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox. So I have Chrome here. So go to youtube.com here. So I have logged in my Gmail here for YouTube. Click on here, upload video. Upload video. So find your video you want to upload. So I have here lesson 3. So what is your title about? This is title. So my title is about let me find here. I find here first. So I go to here. My title is about this, but it's part lesson 3. So your description here. What is your description? You must so my description here is here. So this is my description. How to use move, how to use copy, rotate, mirror, array, stream, fillet, erase, all of this. Basic of AutoCAD. So you can add many here that which is related to the tutorial. What is a video about? You can add here. That's why when somebody or someone search, example, search about arrest, how to use arrest. So you have in your description. It also come up in the result here. Example. It will show up result at the top here or top here because your channel is not big. And then this is thumbnail. You should upload your thumbnail as picture. The size is the thumbnail. The size is about what 850. Weight. The height is 720. So this is the thumbnail. You should upload it here. But I haven't designed thumbnail. And playlist, you should create playlist. Make sure your subscriber find your tutorial very fast. And click more here. This is not for kid. And text here. What is your tag about? You should add your tag here. You should add as much as you can your tag. So use my tag here. I copy all of these. Copy all of these. I copy and copy again. How to use stream. Copy as much as you can. So you have 500 words. My channel is not so big. My subscriber is so little, so I try to use as much as it offer for me. Oh, it's too large. It's too many. It's over 500. See. So you space to delete, backspace. So I delete this. Use only copy, enter. And my video is in English, so use it in English. And recording date, I use the recording date. So it's standard license. This is my original video. The category is about education. This is no need. No need. Next. So at stream here, at ends and screen, export. You can click on this. Playlist. What is your playlist about? AutoCAD. Add more here. What you want to add more? Example, computer. What you want to add more? I'm sorry. Computer, telephone. And save. And add cards here. Click on add card. Playlist. Go to AutoCAD first because my video is about AutoCAD. And example OBS Studio. And example Sony Vegas. And about editing. So you have 5 to choose. Drag it here. 1 2 3 4. It's still 4. Oh, here 5 here. And click save. And then click next. Next. So you have publish here. Publish now. It means now. This is private. Nobody can see. You can watch only you. This is unleashed. Anyone can watch this, but only the link that you send them. Anyone who receive the link that you send can see this video. And public here you can set as premiere or not, publish it directly. It will publish, or you can schedule here. So we want to schedule on next month 14, and I want to schedule at 6 p.m. That's all. And schedule. Close. My internet is so slow. It's just only 27%. So it will show up here, and the deadline will schedule here after it finished 100%. This is my new channel. It's still not in earning money. Hope you support me and subscribe and watch my video. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more video. Bye bye.